Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. My name's Treywick Ellis if you're new here, and I like to go on adventures and just do a whole bunch of different things. One of those is hiking. So today I'm out here in North Carolina at Nantahala National Forest, and this next trail that I'm about to hike is called Scaly Mountain Summit via Hickory Knut Road. So Scaly Mountain Summit via Hickory Knut Road in North Carolina, near Highlands, North Carolina. It's 3.3 miles out and back, supposed to be a relatively easy trail, and according to all trails, it looks like we're going to get some nice views. So fingers crossed for the views. Let's get into it. All right, so in summary, the Scaly Mountain Trail via Hickory Knut Road, 8.2. The view at the end was absolutely beautiful, which is why the score was that high, because pretty much between here and the summit where the view is, you're just walking through a rainforest, which is fine if you like that kind of stuff. It's definitely better than walking along the street or something like that. But yeah, 8.2, and check the next one out right here.